Hi everyone, I'm going to introduce you with Doka, a new electronic document management system. It's a place in the cloud where you can easily store and retrieve your file. First, we are going to log in to the system. Because it's a multi-company platform, you must provide a company name as long as a username and a password. You can use the credential provided in the description below. Once you are logged in, you can navigate through the existing documents like you would do with the Windows File Explorer or the macOS Finder. Just note that when you select a row in a list, you can see the preview of the document on the right. To display the original file, simply click on the link below the preview. Now, let's import some document from our computer. We simply go to the import mode and pick up some files. You can note that there are many phases for each file being imported. This is due to the signature we compute to ensure the upload was free of errors, and to the final encryption of the file on the server side. Next, we are going to perform a full text search. It means that we are going to search a word that belongs to a list of documents. Let's go to the search mode and enter a word. Let's say we want to search the word version for documents. There, we found two PDF documents with the word Persian in their contents. And now we can do the same for another word, for example. Or first, we can just check that the documents really have the word Persian in their content. So now we can search good. And there you can see that we find 3 documents. Another interesting feature in Doka is the possibility to create categories to organize our contents. As an example of that, let's create the animal category. So let's go to the category mode. As a category is made of tags, we can either reuse a tag or create a new one. So in our case, we will pick up the location tag for our animal category. Then we are going to create our own tag. Call it dangerousness. There will be a decimal number to represent the dangerousness of the animal. Then we assign it to our category. If we go back to the navigation mode, we can assign the animal category to some of our images. here we go. Now I'm sure you can guess that we are going to perform a search based on the tag of our category. So in the search mode again, we can enter a new criteria. And let's say the location. Right. And there we have a surprise, because not only we found two animal images, but also an image that belongs to another category, scenery. But if we look closer, we can see that through the scenery category, the image has a location property set to wild. So the search makes sense. Now I'm going to show you how to move a document to another folder. So in Document Explorer, we can create a new folder. Let's say Others. And then you can pick up the Russian document we just imported and move it to the other document, the other folder, sorry. Here it is. In Doka, we can perform a search on properties, it means on tags, but also on labels. For example, if we want to retrieve this document from the beginning of its label, we can do it. The interesting thing in Doka is that we fully support Unicode characters. So even if it's a Russian document, you can perform a search as well. The last cool feature I want to show you is that we can create a link to a document. For example, a Russian document here belongs to the other folder here. So we are going to create a link because we want to see this document into, let's say, the landscape folder. So here we go. We also see the Russian document in the landscape folder. So now the search on the beginning of the label will return not only one document, but the two documents in different locations, landscape and others. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy Doka.